Alright, welcome again to this training video. So in this training video, I want to take us through the process on how you can change your page name. So assuming you created a page before and then you find out that the name that you used while creating the page wasn't the actual name that you wanted to use. So in this video, I want to take you through the process on how you can change your page name. You understand? So the next step that you need to do, you need to come to your Facebook account. After you have come to your Facebook account, here is the page. I'm already on the page, but let me switch now to my main Facebook profile. Alright, here is my main Facebook profile. Okay, I've switched to my main Facebook profile now. So here is my main Facebook profile. So the next thing that you need to do for you to be able to change your page name, you need to come to this three dots here. So after you have come there, then you come and change it to the page that you want to change. So as for me, I have like 3 pages here, which is this Samnet Digital and this Samuel Edit. So the thing there is I need to change this Digital Sales Breakthrough. So I'll need to switch to that page now. You just need to switch to that page. Just follow me up closely because my internet connection is very dull. So after that, you click on this same 3 dots again, then you scroll down to settings and privacy. So after that, you click on settings. So after you have clicked on settings, you wait for it to load. It will load and then you scroll down. You scroll down to page setup. You see, you just click the page setup. So from there, have you seen, you will see name, page access, page management history, page status, page recommendation, connected profile, and the rest, which is okay. So the next step that we need to take now in order for us to change our page name is to click on this name now. You click on this name. Alright, then you cancel the name now and put the name that you will like to use. So for me, this is the current name that I would like to use. You need to click on review change. So after that, have you see, so the name now, the page name now will change from Digital Sales Breakthrough to Coach Samuel. So you just need to click on submit for approval. After you have clicked on submit for approval and then you wait for it, they will send a code to my email for me to confirm, because this is what I like doing. I normally like to receive code directly from my email. You understand? So this is just the process. Okay, the code has come. I'll need to put the code again. The code is 80968540. So I'll need to click on continue. After I've clicked on continue, so this is just the simplest step. Everything has been changed. Your name will be updated automatically if approved, obviously. So this is just the simplest way on how you can change your name.